Hello. In this video, you will learn about for loops in Python. A loop is a way to repeat something many times. Instead of writing the same code again and again, you can use a loop to do it for you. Let's say you want to draw a square using Python and Turtle. You could write
T forward 100, to left 90, T forward 100, T left 90, T forward 100, T left 90, T forward 100, T left 90.
That works, but it's a lot of typing. We can do the same thing using a for loop. For I in range, for T forward 100, to left 90. This means do this 4 times. The range for creates the numbers 0, 1, 2, 3. The loop runs once for each of those numbers. But we don't need to use the numbers. We just want the code to repeat 4 times. Let's look at another example. One for I in range. 3, printy print, done. This will print. 0, 1, 2, done. The line aim print I is inside the loop, so it runs 3 times. The line print, done is outside the loop, so it runs only once. In Python, indentation is very important. You need to add spaces in front of the lines inside the loop. Usually, we use 4 spaces. If you forget to indent, or if the spaces are not the same, Python will give you an error. So what did we learn? A for loop repeats code. Range n gives numbers from 0 to n1. Indentation shows which code is inside the loop. Loops make it easy to draw shapes with Turtle. That's it for now. Try using loops to draw triangles, hexagons, or even stars. Have fun coding in Python.